What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DWAC ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you, let me show you more thoroughly. Let's switch to 30 minutes time frame. And I've told you that we complete all 5 wave structure and we have to have a retracement, and this retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag. And by the way, before my previous video I made another video when I suggested you to enter your position at the ranges of about $56, and the price target was this range of resistance, and we hit it to the tick, and your potential profits might be up to 27%. And previously right here I've told you that this range of accumulation might be a very good accumulation point from the investor's standpoint, and it is the price point of $44.25, and from this range to the highest price target we had about 121% of potential profits. And to the current price we still have about 93%, and definitely it is a very good sign. So I have to admit I missed this next movement to the upside, and it is totally okay because nothing is set in stone in trading. And let me show you my mistake, where I made a mistake. Right here we had this as our first wave, as I thought. This is our second, third, fourth and fifth. But for now I can clearly see that this was my mistake, and it is the part of internal first wave. This first wave was the part of this wave. And we have, let me delete this unnecessary tool, and this one as well. And we have, according to Elliott wave theory, we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire movement is the third one, fourth and fifth. And right here we completed all 5 waves, and we didn't violate any rules of Elliott wave theory. We have the highest volume on the third wave, and the third wave is longer than the first one. And right here we have the simple zigzag retracement. This is our A wave, B wave and 5 wave structure in our C wave. And the next wave to the upside, that was slightly higher than we had this previous swing high. And from this standpoint, I think we have this movement as our first wave, this is our second, this is our third, fourth and fifth. And if it is the case, we have to see a longer consolidation, and we might see lower prices with this ticker. But I also have some bullish case, and I will show you it in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news related to this company. And first of all, let me show you this. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on February 16th, and it's titled "Trump SPAC Digital World Gains After Former President Posts on Truth Social Platform." And let me quote you this. Trump SPAC Digital World acquisition, which is taking Trump's social media company public, rose 5% in pre-market trading after Trump reportedly posted his first post on his new social media platform Truth Social. Donald Trump Jr. posted a screenshot on Twitter of the former president's first post on Truth Social. "Get ready, your favorite president will see you soon." The report comes as the new social media platform was originally scheduled to launch next week, though has been delayed until the end of March. There have been reports that Truth Social is in a beta test, so that's likely the source of the screenshot. And on top of this news that drives the price of DWAC for more than 5%, we have next news, and it was published on February 21st. It was published on weekend, and definitely it might have a huge impact on the price of Truth Social in upcoming session. And let me quote you this. Trump's Truth Social platform hits Apple's App Store. And let me quote you this. Truth Social, a new social media venture from former President Donald Trump, officially launched late Sunday in Apple's App Store. While some users reported having trouble registering for an account or were added to a waitlist, for others that pre-ordered the app, it was automatically downloaded to their Apple devices. Trump is marketing the platform as an alternative to social media giants Twitter, Facebook and YouTube, which banned him on grounds of inciting the US Capitol riot on January 6, 2021. And here is the quote. "Our goal is, I think we are going to hit it. I think by the end of March, we are going to be fully operational, at least within the United States," said former Republican US Representative David Nunes, who is CEO of the Trump Media and Technology Group. And definitely, this might be a major catalyst for the upcoming sessions, major positive catalyst for upcoming sessions. And I have to say that if we will take a look on the list of institutional investors in this company, we have more and more companies that are opening new positions with DWAC, and we have more green rows than red ones. We don't have any red ones at all, but we have to keep in mind that if we divide the value of this position by number of shares, the average price will be below $15. And for now, DWAC costs about 84.32 per share. And definitely, these entry positions are quite juicy for these investors because they already quadruple their money, at least quadruple their money. And that's why we have to be cautious. On top of positive news, we have some negative news, and definitely it is the major news from Russia-Ukraine crisis. And let me quote you Reuters.com, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it's titled, "Putin orders troops to break away regions in eastern Ukraine." And here is the summary. Ukraine and West on alert for Russia creating pretext to invade. White House says summit possible only if Russia does not invade. Moscow says Ukrainian armored vehicles tried to enter Russia. Kyiv calls Russian allegation fake news. Ruble slides beyond 80 versus dollar as Putin addresses nation. And definitely it might negatively impact all the markets because for now in Russia we already have over 10% decrease in our markets, in our stock market, and it is the lowest range, it is the lowest decrease since November 2020. And definitely this might lead to lower prices for US stock markets as well, and this might lead to major recession. I think it is really possible for now, and we have to be cautious with this news. So what should we expect next? I have to say that if we have, this is our, let me mark it for you, this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth and fifth. So we have to retrace the entire wave from this bottom to this top, and in this case we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top. And let me show you that we have a confluence with this range of support/resistance that we hit right here at the price point of $73.74. Then we have 0.5 range at $66.66, and it is some kind of confluence with the bottom of our fourth wave. And right here we also have some kind of reaction at this point. And the golden pocket. As you can see right here, we already have this range of support, and it is the confluence with our previous range of support and resistance that I marked in one of my previous videos. And definitely, if we will see a bear case, we might have this movement to the downside, because all the markets will plummet. But if the news related directly to Truth social media will be more powerful, and if it will be the bull case for this asset, definitely from this range we might have at least one more leg to the upside. Because right here, technically we have several waves. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 waves in this structure. But if it is not the case, and if it is only the part of the entire movement, if we will have an extension in the fifth wave, definitely we might have a next leg to the upside, and this range should be pulled from this bottom. And we have very good reaction from 0.5 range, and technically we might have a next leg to the upside. So what should you do if you want to invest in this asset? I think right after all the rumors about the launch of Truth social media becomes lower, we will see the decrease in price of DWAC. And that's why I don't suggest you to enter your investment position. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!